First of all, there would be two career fairs every year. One would be in spring, another would be in fall. So the fall career fair would have more number of companies coming in as compared to spring career fair. That is one of the most important resources available on campus. Second is the Northeastern's own job opportunity portal. So I did my internship, a 6 months co-op, which I got it through Northeastern's job portal. Career fairs would have all possible opportunities, and you would be able to know everything beforehand. For example, if a career fair is scheduled for next week, like Thursday or something, you'll be able to see which all companies are coming and what are the openings in that company. So you can prepare yourself for the respective company and respective position before you go for a career fair, and you can prepare, including your resume, including the pitch that you want to present. So the internship that I got was for 6 months. It was in a company known as Sanofi Pasteur. It was oriented towards the research of vaccination. And as I said, I applied through Northeastern's job search portal for the position. And you can apply for multiple positions. You'll be interviewed if you are fit for the position. And once you get interviewed, they might take one round of interview, which might be directly with the hiring manager. There could be multiple rounds, which could be from different departments, including the human resources, including different team members, including different hiring managers. So depending on the company or the size of the company or the expectation of the company, your interview process varies. But in my case, it was directly with the hiring manager, and just one interview, and I was all set for the internship. In bioinformatics or in the field of biotechnology, I would say 23 to 25 or 26 is the average. I would say eventually 80% of my class got it. Some got it in second semester, some got it in third semester. So from the perspective of grooming a student and making them prepared for the internship or prepared for a full-time, there are multiple resources available, and they are good. They are fairly good. In terms of getting you one, you cannot be confined your resources only to on campus or Northeastern resources. You need to look for all possible scenarios. So first you need to look up for the available positions online when they were posted. The most recent has the most possible chances. So first you need to look for those positions through different portals, including Indeed, including Monster, including Hire, or multiple, whichever portal is available for the city. Once you get to know the position, you need to apply to that position through the company's website as well as through any other job portals which is there. You need to start looking for different people who are working in that company, in that department. On Indeed, you need to start building the connections and try to ask them for referral or a recommendation, or just for all possible ways to get through that position or get an interview call or something like that. Having prior work experience would increase your chances of getting more interview calls or more opportunity for interview, because a lot of positions would require minimum number of work experience. It is very soon to speculate that, because I just graduated last week. I am aware of only 2 or 3 of them who have secured a full-time so far. $75 280.